we take to the panty. This is your high-waisted seamless bikini panty, $22 for 5 easy payments of $4.40 with free shipping and handling. Now listen, there's lots of places you can go and buy a lot of panties and underwear. For the same reason you hate your underwear or your bra,
Yes,
a lot of us hate our underwear.
exactly.
What did you do here?
I mean, my goal for underwear was to make it the most forgettable underwear in the world.
So I don't feel it?
No, you won't. It doesn't move. It is invisible. I don't care.
Tell me about panty lines.
What panty lines?
Thank you.
If you're a size 22 under leggings, you will not see this. And I'll tell you why.
Under leggings, no panty lines?
No, absolutely not. I used to be a thong
worth the
girl
cost.
before I invented these. And we also make a beautiful thong, but these are my favorite because you don't need a thong. There's never a panty line.
I think I'm gonna get these.
And I can show you why this amazing technology that goes into the bonded seams.
I would rather spend a little more on a pair of panties that like I can constantly wear and feel good in.
Oh, and
just like the bras.
100%.
Oh, 2 colors, by the way, black
Yes.
and Himalayan sea salt. Only order that we have, only day this month presented with the free shipping and handling. We don't have many to go around. We have these in 2 sizes, 0 through 14. So just order your regular, by your regular dress
0
size.
to 14.
0 through 14 and 16 through 24.
Yes.
2 sizes. Okay, tell me.
Okay, so first of all, you know, when you hear 2 sizes, you probably think, like so many things, oh, one size fits many, never fits well. I have 270 active fit models that are in my offices daily. I swear to you.
Highly unusual.
Yes, it is highly unusual.
Here's a little secret. Sometimes there's like 3 fit models. They're like
at the
small,
most.
large. Yeah, sometimes there's
at
only
the
2.
most.
And then you know what they do? They just cut down or up based on the small and like the large.
It's called a grade. And also, by the way, they're models, right? And most of us have, like I had a C-section. I have a little C-section fold. It's like, these are truly designed with real customers in my office. So what we have, first of all, this gorgeous mesh paneling, which is brand new and so pretty. It takes what is, so this was originally called the retro bikini. So it comes up right to your belly button. It has a slightly higher leg cut than a traditional brief, and that's so that you never get a little bulge and a fold here.
Okay.
It's the most flattering cut. I don't have one to show you, but I say cotton where it counts. So you get all the benefit of this powerful 4-way stretch, but you have a full
the gusset's 100% cotton.
It's 100% cotton, and it's big enough to give you the coverage that you need for all the things.
Now, the rest of the fabric, 79% nylon, 21% spandex. I get very intrigued by no visible panty lines. Like that to me is key.
It's because, okay, so these bonded seams, you can't imagine how much geekery goes into this. I mean, it is, so most of the time in a bonded seam, you are using, I'm just gonna turn this around to the back, and I know this is kind of noisy. Well, first of all, I'm never gonna put an itchy tag in anything I make ever, because why do you make a super soft garment? But what you have when you have a bonded stitch-free seam is a tape that's like an off-the-shelf product. We designed this glue and designed the process to create a stretch that's at the identical ratio as the fabric. So there's no...
So no one else is doing this. There weren't even machines available to make this when you came up with it.
Oh, this is, it's kind of crazy how much technology goes into this,
you know
actually.
What? I'd rather spend $22 on 1 pair of underwear than get a 5-pack at $20 that I hate. Like, get these 5 easy payments of $4.40.
Look how gorgeous they are.
Free shipping and handling. 500 now ordered. If you want the black, only 800 remain.
She looks like a pinup girl in those
that
underwear.
That is beautiful with our today's special value in the Himalayan salt. That's the bra, and then the bikini.
You gotta try them to believe the underwear. You know, it's real. If you're just wearing the same underwear you've been wearing, you gotta try Evelyn and Bobbie underwear. It's different.
Now, still to come, this is a really beautiful